Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently of a central bank. eEsh is a decentralized form of currency that allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or governments. Cryptocurrencies are created through a process called mining, which involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations. One of the most well-known cryptocurrencies is Bitcoin, which was created in 2009 by un individual or grupo sin de pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin uses a public ledger called the blockchain to record transactions, which makes it difficult to counterfeit or double spend. Other popular cryptocurrencies include Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity in recent years due to their potential as an alternative to traditional forms of currency. They offer several advantages over traditional currencies, including lower transaction fees, faster processing times, and greater security. Cryptocurrencies are also highly liquid, meaning they can be easily bought and sold on exchanges. Despite their advantages, cryptocurrencies also have several drawbacks. They are highly volatile, meaning their value can fluctuate widely in a short period of time. Cryptocurrencies are also vulnerable to hacks and cyber attacks, and there is a lack of regulation in many countries, which makes them a risky investment. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets, which can be either software-based or hardware-based. Software wallets are stored on a computer or mobile device, while hardware wallets are physical devices that store the user's private keys offline. Mining is the process of creating new cryptocurrency coins by solving complex mathematical equations using powerful computers. Miners are rewarded with new coins for their efforts, which helps to maintain the integrity of the blockchain network. However, mining can also be energy-intensive and can contribute to climate change. The blockchain is a decentralized ledger that is used to record transactions on a cryptocurrency network. It is maintained by a network of computers that work together to verify transactions and maintain the integrity of the network. The blockchain is highly secure and makes it difficult for hackers to tamper with transaction records. Cryptocurrencies are typically bought and sold on cryptocurrency exchanges, which are online platforms that allow users to trade cryptocurrencies for other cryptocurrencies or for fiat currency. However, there are also peer-to-peer exchanges that allow users to trade directly with one another without the need for intermediaries. In conclusion, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that operates independently of a central bank and uses cryptography for security. It offers several advantages over traditional currencies, including lower transaction fees, faster processing times, and greater security. However, it is also highly volatile and vulnerable to hacks and cyber attacks. Cryptocurrencies are stored in digital wallets and can be bought and sold on cryptocurrency exchanges.